Hello, I am Rajendra Joshi. I am Executive Director with Urban Rise organization, Urban Rise company. This is a group company of Alliance Infrastructure. We have got operations in Bangalore, Chennai and Hyderabad. Overall, we have got roughly around 4.42 million square feet, that is 4.2 crore square feet of residential construction spread across Bangalore, Chennai and Hyderabad. In Chennai, recent reports, we have been weighted as #1 developer in Chennai, and Times Group also has awarded Urban Rise as South India's #1 brand in real estate. In Hyderabad, currently we have got 2 projects, and 3 more projects are in the pipeline, which will come in next maybe 3 to 4 months. Our first project is at Miapur. Next to Miapur, there is Aminpur Lake. That 28-acre land is there. And our phase 1 of roughly around 1,000 units, we launched in last October, and around 80% has been sold as of now. And our second project, that is in Bachupalli, the project name is Talk of Hyderabad. It has been launched on 17th of last month, and this is one of the very good luxurious project. It's 33-floor project, and it has got many first of kind of amenities like rooftop gardens, rooftop restaurants. You see, we have got this. This is our Nizam Club. This is our clubhouse in the Talk of Hyderabad, Bachupalli. We have named it as a Nizam Club, and this is around 70,000 square feet clubhouse. And another also spaces we have got in one small clubhouse is also there. There we are building around 12,000 square feet for child-centric activities and the commercial supermarket and other essentials shopping. Beside this, we have got the first time we are introducing the sky lounges. In all of our towers, this Bachupalli is around, this Talk of Hyderabad is having 5 towers, and every tower has got 2 sky lounges. In sky lounges, it's at 22nd floor and 32nd floor, and these are sky lounges. I must tell you, this is the concept of Singapore or US. These around total sky lounges will be around 10,000 square feet, and in this 10,000 square feet, we'll be providing yoga facilities, zero gravity yogas. We'll be providing places for work from home, work from sky lounges, the places for ladies kitty parties. Beside this, we are having 1.5-acre park also in between the towers, and in that park we are having the work from park facility. We are having ladies kitty corner, we are having child's play area, we have got young Turk corner where people can do their startup corner. So a lot of amenities are there. And similarly, at the rooftop of every building also, we are investing a lot money, and we have hired the very good consultants from Singapore and the other part of the world who are advising us on that, developing the more green spaces on the rooftops. So on the rooftop also, we are having barbecues, we are having work from terrace concept, we are having ladies kitty corner at the rooftops, we are having some outdoor games at the terraces. We are having views from the all terraces. So it's going to be a very different project. I think in Hyderabad, it may be many amenities are first of its kind. We have learned it from visiting Singapore, visiting London. From there we have got this thing. So we are having right now these 2 projects. Beside this, we are coming out with one villa project in Shamirpet. We are coming out in Thoothukudi also. We are coming out with 1 project, and many more projects are also in the pipeline.
And about the spot booking offer you have just
installed? Yeah. During these 3 days, today the world is moving towards the green energy concept, and people are going towards electrical bikes. So we also want to encourage, as a socially responsible organization, we want to help people migrating to electric vehicles. So we thought that why don't these 3 days, the people are coming to install, they will get aware of this. And we also want to encourage our customers. So any customer who's buying in this 13, 14, 15, 3 days, we are giving with every apartment, either in Aminpur or in at Miapur or Bachupalli. Anybody is buying and making the payment in the spot, we are giving electric bike to all of the customers who are booking in these 3 days. The property, today is the day one, so I am sure that from tomorrow and Saturday and Sunday there will be much more crowd. But today also it is quite good, it is satisfactory. We are seeing a lot of action. So I hope that it will really turn out to be one of the very good property show. Thank you.